I've been gone less than 1 week and everything seems to have changed. A bunch of brokerages out there now has no more commissions on their trades, following Robinhood and M1 Finance's footsteps. Robinhood is coming out with cash management again. Like, what is going on here? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang. I am doing a dividend investing challenge with Robinhood with M1 Finance, and I'm doing a real estate investing challenge as well. That's just me by myself. There's a lot of new people here, so welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my Robinhood portfolio and let you guys know what I bought this week. Every single week, I deposit $300 into my portfolio and buy dividend stocks, and I try to grow my portfolio as best as I can. And let's jump right into it. So there's a lot of stuff to go over in today's video. So let's just start with the portfolio. I'm sitting just under $9,000 on Monday, and earlier today, my portfolio was actually over 9,000. So in terms of my portfolio this week, not much has changed. Everything is just moving sideways. On the day, I'm up 40 bucks. On the week, I'm up $65, just under a percentage. On the month, I'm up 1%. On the 3-month, I'm just under 4% gains. On the 1-year chart now, I'm at 17.7% gains, and on the all-time chart here, I'm still at 10.6% gains. So overall this year, I'm doing pretty well, not too bad. So this week, I only bought 4 stocks when it came to my portfolio, and the first stock here is Realty Income. I bought 1 share at $78.43. Realty Income is probably my top 2 stocks here. As you can see in the total returns, I'm up over 10% on this one stock. I've been investing in this company for probably over a year now, and one great thing about them is that they pay monthly dividend stocks. This is a REIT, a real estate investment trust. So go check them out if you guys have not heard of Realty Income. So just to let you guys know, they are a bit overbought according to the RSI. I use charting to determine when it's a good time to buy my stocks or when it's a good time to sell my stocks. But typically, I do more buying than selling. I only sell probably a handful of times a month. Realty Income is a great stock. I try to buy as much Realty Income as I can every single week, but typically I'm only buying 1 share every single week. The next stock that I bought here is Pfizer. I've been accumulating as much Pfizer as I can over the past month plus now. Yesterday, I bought 5 shares at $35.76. So over the past few months as I'm acquiring Pfizer, there hasn't been too much movement. I'm actually down less than 1% on this stock, but my average cost is at $36. Total equity right now is just under $900. This stock is slowly becoming one of the bigger positions in my portfolio now, and there's a bunch of different reasons why I invest in Pfizer. One of the reasons why is because it is a dog of the Dow stock. And if you guys don't know about the dividend strategy, Dow of the Dogs, I highly recommend you guys go watch that. I made a few videos about that, and I'm even investing in Dow of the Dog stocks in my M1 Finance portfolio. I'll probably make another video about that just to update you guys with how that's going. For the third stock this week, I bought SPHD. I bought 5 shares at $41.19. On the day, I'm up just under 1%. SPHD is my number 1 stock, my number 1 ETF, and rightfully so. I have 40 shares. Just under $2,000 equity. Average cost is at $41.23. And in my portfolio diversity is almost at 20% as well. So this stock pays monthly dividends, and it tracks the S&P 500 low volatility dividend, something like that. Basically, that means it's just tracking the safest dividend stocks from the S&P 500. And it is, again, my top dividend stock. So for the last purchase of this week, I bought 5 shares of AGNC Investments. This stock is the most controversial stock in my portfolio. When it comes to AGNC Investments, I've been invested in this company since January of 2019, and every single month I've been getting a pretty decent dividend from them. And on top of that, I've been learning how to trade with them as well. So after all that, I'm actually positive on this investment. When it comes to my dividend investing strategy, I like to keep about 80 to 90% of my portfolio in like safer blue chip stocks, and then the other 10% I like to kind of mix it up, and AGNC is where I mix it up a lot. I use this stock to learn how to trade, and I use this stock to collect that high dividend yield. So if you guys are interested in that, go check out AGNC Investments as well. I feel like this is deja vu. Back in the day, I did a review on the cash management system before, and basically it looks like it's the same exact thing. But this is kind of new. This earned 2.05 APY on your unused cash. This is very similar to M1 Spend, if you guys seen that. M1 Finance came out with their credit card, their cash management system a while back. And when it comes to M1 Spend, so far so good. I still need to do a lot more testing on it though. But I expect that Robinhood's cash management system is going to be basically the same exact thing as M1 Finance's M1 Spend. So when it comes to Robinhood's cash management, the only thing that's different that I see is that they're now FDIC insured. This is a major plus for Robinhood. They're following suit to something similar to Wealthfront. Wealthfront, they're insured up to $1 million. FDIC insured up to $1 million on their bank accounts. So, this is a big plus for them. But when it comes to everything else, it is very standard. One thing that they do really well is they bring a lot of hype to their cash management system. Right now, I'm like sitting at 60,000 place out of 300,000 people. So 300,000 customers is a big number. And these people are just all like, we're all waiting in line, waiting for this debit card. I can only imagine how much more money and how much more profits Robinhood is going to be making just from this debit card. But other than that, Robinhood really updated their search system here. They started to add like videos to their articles that you can view, and it is really good. These videos make their newsfeed a lot more attractive and a lot more dynamic. I'm pretty sure that soon you're gonna start seeing ads on this newsfeed, very similar to what we see from Instagram. I think this is a really big update for Robinhood. They're really stepping their game up now that there's zero commissions for all these other brokerages. They really do not want to lose customers to Charles Schwab, to TD Ameritrade. The only brokerage that I might want to switch to is TD Ameritrade, just because their platform is just so much more well established. But just for simplicity's sake and just for the Robinhood challenge, I'm going to be sticking with Robinhood. So like I said, I'm going to be sticking with Robinhood for the long term. There's really no reason for me to switch. It just makes things a lot more complicated than it should be. Sticking with something simple and having a simple plan, a simple consistent strategy like depositing money into my account every single week, that's what's going to bring me the most gains in the future. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully you're going to be doing something very similar. And if you do switch, let me know where you guys are going. And if you're going to be staying with Robinhood, leave me a like, because I'm there with you. If you guys want to see more videos from me, go check out these videos here about dividend investing. And that's my time right there. So leave a like for all of the Robinhood loyal customers and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the notification. I love you 3000. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.